Omutwe ya ama 21 days no elapse on the 28th. Until on the 3rd, and omo file appeal against the judgment of the High Court. And then omo also file in your friend stay of execution. After enuno any a bar court ene. Enti enuno so no omo violate mrano. Enti say ananani no lawyers are starting your friend contempt processes. Ya file yini bi ya serve binom akanipa ba ko a eye Dormaahene anano ye ko ho se omo ko serve no. Na Bailiff no ma yeti ase se ne machofu a omo wo ne ho no Bailiff ne ko ye no omo trati Bailiff no se omo promo nkwade a emo nra ho.
Abusia enenso memo akwaba na me famra Poku TV penisem dwumadi so ene mabepiem o court of appeal ni nyina na Sampa Jafra oni bunu originals of chiefs nsensem court say 21 days say na Sampa Jafra ni CV ya famra National House of Chiefs na yan gazette na Dormahene for Sampa traditional area na abusia say the gazette no say gazette no twuma mentwim peninso say twuma mentwim we ebokura anti abusia na ekra na bebo ni nyina no ba bewiem ewo court of appeal nti abusia enne ba bepiem ewo appeal court a de ekoso efa bono regions of chiefs nsem na ni nyina ne se ya nti ebiem so se nana ya Samuel Faruk ono so appeal se court ruling no de bae no one ne nya adwen nti obese court no se na asem no sa hwehwem yi na onfa nokura no to ba bi eda itabusia ye wan se de bekoso courtroom bia no ye be we inside na ye de nyina ba ba so ya hwefo a ehwe Poku TV mpanisem de be din go free ye we inside na de bekoso bia ye de nyina ba ba so abusia mo akwaba eba Poku TV so na so ya ba be piem o court ni nyina aye na Sampa Jafra Sampa Mahene o so awie ye ne court case won sensem se court ma aye bono regions of chiefs 21 days on fire deceiving anko na young gazette no ade say ayehwe buada ama appeal akoso ene ebepiem ewo kumase appeal court a ye behwe se de ene ensem no ebesi akona ebuso American mount mu a de oni biso ahwe no Sampa na Sampa Jafra oni ne mpanifo mche na oni na hemfo na tufo hene eka ho na afen so ono ani 8 Abu Mahama nti ebedin komo kakra na yahwe ene said the court esika but before say ebedin komo ma hu se court ajani case no e dey akọ on the 7th April na on the 7th no the court ajani said there are some errors ewo emotions nim na che say errors be about emotions na two errors nti ene ebedin komo
very simple ene yo na moya ntemene na naikwa baby akwacha lawyer this yo we dey ye be damasi ana ye be damasi se ne ye mama so tie no ene na court ni share say two motions are Samodua Faruk Ahmed file any the Bono Regional House of Chiefs through the Mahene and Dormahene file no and then anka court to share senka ye metana so but ya ba ya bedu ye no one kasa the omu file no parties ni bi o ho a omun serve won oman fan serve the Regional House of Chiefs any the first interested party is the Sampa Traditional Council but send and I'm so man serve woman we could not sit on the case because adina onim ne won krata no no obegina no okasa ohunu ne ogina so akasa enti court judge no ahwie mu ne omunyina call in consultation no ne omaka ma na kusi se wa hye register ne se on serve omo a yen serve omo no na obi ansanka ne krata nyame ya aduma on the 7th of April na ya sen aba na two motions ne nyina omo dia be down court say court Emma Omuntwintwan order na wodi ama a protocol the friend of stay of execution no court ma omunyai na yenka appeal asem no wie no nyame ya adoma on the 7th of April no ye betena so na judge no ahwe say wodi be ma ana obebo to agu ti nyame ya adoma 7th no ye besen aba court biom na yaba be tena so biom
before so be kwama musa ense yedi kan ba ye na court e ma verdict ni wie ye no na ye twen se 21 days no e be so na nka ya gazette na CV ne be ko ne agazeti na bet eno ni nyante ho bubuye bia adama eno so wan se makosi
ye da se eno na ye di call ya omutwe ya ma 21 days no lapse on the 28th until on the 3rd no eno mo be file appeal against the judgment of the high court and then omo call so file in your friend stay of execution after eno no eno ye ba court ene enti eno no so no omo violate mra no enti say ya nana ni no lawyers started your friend contempt processes ya fale yini bi ya serve binom aka nipa ba ko a eye Dormaahene na no ye ko ho se omo ko serve no na Bailiff no ma yeti ase se ne matwofu a omo wo ne ho no Bailiff ne ko ye no omo treat Bailiff no se omo promo nkwade a emo nra ho Bailiff no so no omo ye mranimfo enti omo jaaye enti Bailiff no edi ne report ababa enti nyame ya adom na samre ne duru ye bakod na judge ne hwe ne Bailiff no twere ye na obema ye kwan foforo a ye be fa so a ye de be serve no say we in the process of serving for court to start the processes.
The bodyguards and a warning Bailiff some a threat or them out.
Yeah, it was a threat. Buno Regional House of Chiefs one no mo so mo serve omo and omo order omo issues are threat no and omo retrieval ye e ba ye to return the report back to the court. Ni ohuno ye wa twere back to the court. Enti nyame ya adoma court obehwe mo ohuno there are other ways omitimi afaso amaya serve wo.
Is it not affront to our democracy say a high court judge or no mrano the year juma no name wa be judge na be am rano we the idea be serve na no one call for you say the bodyguards a threat say
no correct, but I don't see anything more threat than a judge na nkasa betena nipa mo no waka say court to ka asem amindi so waka da wa bia na no waka enti obi a waka say court di asem mindi so a wono no ye judge no yes ene macho men omudi na chidi omonfi amrade ye so metimi aye bibia ha enti se macho men fo etrete se obi ba ye bekunu no obusua free omon judge na omudi na chi a ono ni mra a wono ka say court ka asem a wondi so ono ni ye no mo so ye no
le man idea ebeka say court ntimi nsu ni warrant emfa nkwache na Dormaahene because obu ni mra bibio so
ye wo ekwan bebre wo ho a na mekan ye wo kwan bebre a wo ha ye be fa so a ye be servo enti mere pamo no nyame bem ay court bem trade direction no meja ma menua na watu so na me de na
the argument that you're advancing here right now that probably there's nobody is clear. We are making it clear to the people of this country that nobody is above the law, and as long as nobody is above the law, whenever there's a contempt, we believe that when the Dormaahene set for contempt, na obi na say almost have contempt in Agyeman, this nation will grant to a halt. The other point is this is Asante nation, this is Asanteman, and nobody can undermine the authority of Asanteman. Nobody can undermine the authority of Asanteman. Clearly, we came to the court, and of course, within 21 days. After the 21 days, one for document in court, one for transfer, 21 days nearby. So clearly, but however, where I sit and what I understand and what I know, sir, the man who be cited for contempt. Now, cited for contempt, then the political class of this country, they decide, say, the country will come to a halt because we are saying, say, Obia anyone man or change to me. We must respect the law at all times. Today, President Mahama is the president of this country because Imran Amana president. And I'm going to be a president. Today, Sulaiman Samadafla is the Dormahene and Overlord Sampa traditional council because I'm living by their misbehaving for their own political interest. It's not law. And there's nothing like Bono. There's nothing like Bono mine. Anyone, that is why we are saying in 1957, now you need to mark for litigating Bonifita, Bonikoko, and then a rule on the matter that assassin the assassin belongs to the people of Sampa. And the Sampa is an independent nation within the Bono region. And for that matter, don't sit down there and behave. Say, oh, to me, he's misleading the people, and he keep on misleading the people. And we are telling the political class, Mr. President Mahama, Dormaahene is your friend. He's your friend. We know, but we have no problem. Sorry about downfall. But however, he's misbehaving. Call him to order with a greater respect. Call him to order. Of course, because he downfall preoccupy. Of course, it's when a downfall preoccupy no. Any demon who does him, he is a lawyer, he is a judge, and also he keep on making some pronouncement which is undignifiable, it's unacceptable. You don't do that. We nyansani. We ban him preoccupy. Is this the manner in the way you have to speak? You don't have to speak in this manner. You understand what I'm saying? And that is why we are calling on reasonable people. We are calling a woman of substance and men of conscience within this country. Now look, the way what the man is doing is becoming unbecoming. It's important that people call him to order. Say no time. Jai, because Sampa is Asanteman and Asanteman is Sampa. The ruling, no matter what they do, that is why I kept on saying that they are not prepared to pursue the matter. They are prepared to delay the matter. But however, no matter what they do, to let someone just fly the overlord of Sampa Traditional Council, and nobody can overturn the ruling of Asanteman. It's a fact, and no political authority, I say so, no political authority. So if you sit down there and someone look, let me tell you, there's this Dormahene that they claim that he is a member of the Council of State. Who a Council of State member? Who are you? You only play an advisory role. Say you two or my peninfu. Now you're going upon our fire and your force. So when you go out there and you mislead your people, that look, I am a member of the Council of State. I'm going to speak to President Mahama to overturn the decision of Asanteman. It's a false narrative. And for that matter, it's not going to happen today. And it's important that the people of Bundo, Akwabwa, you are the regional minister. You are part of Dormaa, and you are part of the Dormahene scheme. You the regional minister. Come on, I'm telling you authority. Are you protecting the interests of the Ghanaian people? And are you protecting the interests of an individual?
Is it there to do the business?
I told you the other time that he's doing there to doing the bidding of Dormaahene, and that's what he's doing. We are calling on national security and Mr. President Mahama that look, the guy that you appointed to serve your interest, he's misbehaving. Call him to order. Call him to order.
Anyone want to say, Asanteman, brothers of chiefs, and after aka so Amudiani, now file for appeal. Now, when file for appeal, court reference. Now, almost almost every
clearly, I'm disappointed, and that is why we are saying they are not prepared to pursue the matter. They are prepared to delay the matter, and they are faking up. There's nothing to be discussed, and there's nothing to be talked about. The ruling has been given, and to let somebody fly is the overlord, and nothing will change. And nothing will change. Of course, if you come or if you don't come, what we are saying is deliberate. Of course, they came there. I think I saw Lawyer Tian and Poku there, the former AG, under the MPP regime. He was there, and I'm saying nothing will happen, nothing will change. And for that matter, to let somebody fly is the overlord. We come back on the 7th of April and then to see the outcome of what the court is going to tell us. But Nia can say to let somebody fly near Sampa Mahene, and Dormaahene should know. The last time he was there, saying Sampa is a disgrace to himself, and this comment and the commentary that he keeps on giving, at time. He knows he's a learned person, and then he must know we can't allow the attack and I cut the land at 10:36. Why not as he should read the land act and find out and come to tell the people of this country, say, as I say Sampa as I one there, Dormaa for there, and I Sampa for there, and Suma for there, or one dates ben and another Sampa is a Dormaa Suma him because Dormaahene and prodigy out in a Koba. He keep on misbehaving. He must sit up and he must ensure that he speaks without due respect. He speaks sense. Madam Yasi.
And he didn't come over the Captain na a translate member in Captain.
The madam, and court, some passes, what the exchange. If you got seminar, I shall see now the exchange. We are Babi and our career.
Kakame can say, Asantene, Onyankoda, na Yina Sumbini Epe. The Muyi no Sebi, Yabukodia Samuel, efficacy Mawi, a real Trimamin, and found Toma. Nipa Baku, you know, no creative violence, Papa so before on Peso Bay, I didn't know to me, but she in Semaye. It's a Ghana mine, any president say. Often no siwo na we de Ghana only he Ghana nyina so sebi ni wanso akasa na mo mfa no kre no nto bebi eda na asomdwemla hwe asem we hye ase nipa o mafo ho wu innocent fo a o mugusu wu ni adwe eta kire no yesra mo de o mo ka wo mu no o mo kasa na asomdwemla Ghana maye yeda ase
anti abisha ena yedi enkomo bebre e wo ha no court of appeal inia captain amankwa ana afenso Abu Mahama nana Sambajafra ni first aid na ni aida ene no adi enkomo ntabusua de bekoso bia ye hyamabo on the 7th of April de beba na court asetena obetena nana Sambajafra ana afenso nana ya Samodua Farouk ana afei so bono original house of cheese no essence so abusua ye beba na de wo bia ye ba besom ye na hwefo hwepo quantity panisem tumede me ni ko free mamena team of producers ase owura kofi Poku ona gina fidie na chi echinchim nyoma ede ma abusua ante den no ye do besia na yakọ na de bi free ma bia ye ba besom akra
Yamakwaba eba KB Logistics. Tuma ye di pan se ye de wona wokofa nyoma free China eba Ghana ha ema womo. Chese enyoma kakra bi a obeto no KB Logistics de beba wo fie ba bibiara wo ban mu se ye kuma ase se ye nkran. De friend no door to door ebi se o kra 20 feet ana se 40 feet if China e de aba ye dumadi ye die ba ko pan no na chese ye ne hwehwehwe mre so. KB Logistics de ye nyoma eba ntem ye tumi de bi fa wiem ye de bi so efa ensuo so. Se de 7 to 10 days. And I feel so say fa insuo so 28 days to 30 days. Na ababe drew pot. Ama ye every honum so edi abrel. Ye wo warehouse kese e wo China Guangzhou a. Nyoma dodo biara. Pese o krade ba no. Ye beji edi ababe gu ama. Na afi ye di free ho ababe drew omo emi ho edi ama wa asumdue ma. Unya ha obia. Na asem da say KB Logistics edi ama Ghana edwadifo wona wota akọ China kofa nyoma ba ne say. Bia we ni o first time awoko. Ana say empo no ota akọhọnom nenso ko bia wani ye ontanta KB Logistics say o frani yi nkutahudie anasa woni ye nkasa ye faw e de wakọ company nankasa apartment a ya gi no Guangzhou honom amadwadifo place of convenience efie no wo nipa dodo a efa ne senti no e first come first serve basis se ofra ye bebuku room e de amount na afi ya maka aba be fa airport na afi se opese okodi dwa because of language barrier nti ye wo de obeka ho no bekọ na China kasa no wono abeka akirechire mu amount se de be ya obeti ase na wankwa ankoboka na asem de ba ku bio no se oba AB Logistica ye free no e wo from papa o de compare omo a wo de bi bana bo se ye de no wo from especially with your services ye surrender aka ho no bo se ye cheap it may show bo ahye unkran se KB Logistics fa onioma fa ho na unu ho da se o pay ne ye di nkomo a ye numbers anegu tele no so no obetumi afa na wo ne ye di nkomo KB Logistics ne ye wo hia no eno ne ye be ya ama wo.
Poku One TV.